Buzzworthy discoveries, 30 fascinating facts about bees and their incredible world. There are over 20,000 known species of bees worldwide. Bees are essential pollinators, responsible for pollinating approximately 1/3 of the world's food crops. The honeybee is the only insect that produces food consumed by humans. Bees can recognize human faces, a skill they use to identify flowers they've previously visited. Bees can fly at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. A single bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in a day. Bees communicate with each other through a series of movements called the waggle dance, which conveys information about the location of food sources. Bees have 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes and 3 smaller ocelli eyes. Bees can see ultraviolet light, which helps them locate flowers more easily. The queen bee can live for up to 5 years, while worker bees typically live for 6 weeks during the summer months. Queen bees can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. Male bees, called drones, have no stingers and their primary purpose is to mate with the queen. Drones die immediately after mating, as their reproductive organs are torn from their bodies during the process. Bees are capable of recognizing 0 as a numerical value, making them one of the few non-human species with this ability. Bees can count up to 4, which helps them keep track of the flowers they've visited. Bees can sense the Earth's magnetic field, which helps them navigate while foraging. Beeswax, produced by bees, has been used by humans for thousands of years for various purposes, including candle making, cosmetics, and food preservation. Honey never spoils, and archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Bees can be trained to detect certain smells, such as explosives or diseases like cancer, by associating the scent with a food reward. Some species of bees, like the stingless Melipona bee, produce a unique honey with medicinal properties that have been used by indigenous cultures for centuries. Bees have 2 pairs of wings that are hooked together, allowing them to move in unison and provide more efficient flight. The smallest bee species is the Perdita minima, measuring just 2 millimeters in length, while the largest is the Wallace's giant bee, with a wingspan of up to 6.3 centimeters. Bees are capable of recognizing and remembering landmarks, which helps them navigate their surroundings and find their way back to the hive. Bees can maintain a constant body temperature, similar to mammals, by shivering their flight muscles to generate heat. Some species of bees, known as cuckoo bees, lay their eggs in the nests of other bees, much like the cuckoo bird. Bees have a specialized stomach called the honey stomach, which is used to store nectar collected from flowers before it is brought back to the hive. Bees can fly in light rain, but heavy rain can make it difficult for them to fly and navigate, so they usually stay in the hive during storms. Bees can get drunk from consuming fermented nectar, which can impair their ability to fly and navigate. The process of making honey involves bees regurgitating the nectar they've collected and evaporating the water content, which thickens the nectar into honey. Some plants, like the snapdragon, have evolved bee landing platforms to encourage bees to land and pollinate them, ensuring the plant's survival and reproduction. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can see more new daily content like it in the future.